Bindas Syiem, enduring a hunger strike for over 90 hours, suffered a collapse attributed to a drop in her blood pressure. Medical personnel rushed to assess her condition and recommended hospitalization, but she adamantly declined.
Only on her condition, if you can just tell us.
She is stable as of now. Okay, that's all I can say.
Okay, thank you.
The hunger strike by Bindas Syiem in Shillong has garnered significant attention from the general public and local representatives from Ri Bhoi District. Notably, Nongpoh MLA Mayral and MDC of Mawhati Charles Marngar visited the protester to offer moral support. One of the leaders also attempted to persuade her to end her protest against the state government.